Cats have a long history of evolution that began about 25 million years ago. From small carnivorous mammals, these early animals eventually developed into a feathery family, which includes lions, tigers, and domestic cats. The African wild cat is believed to be the direct ancestor of today's house cats. Around 9,000 years ago, humans started domesticating cats because they help control pests like rats in farms and homes. Over the time, cats became not only useful companions but also one of the most loved pets worldwide. My partner and I came up with this form of animal evolution by looking up information about how cats originated and how they changed over time. We talk about the important parts, such as their ancestors and how they were domesticated. Then we combine everything into a simple paragraph for easy understanding.